Hey everyone, today we're talking about a scary combo, the oil pressure light and the battery light showing up together while driving. This isn't something you want to ignore, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the most likely causes and what to check right now. Make sure to hit that like button if you find this helpful, and subscribe for more quick fixes. First, pop the hood and check your oil using the dipstick. If it's low or empty, that could be why the oil pressure dropped. Top it up with the correct oil for your engine, and don't ignore this. Driving with low oil can cause serious engine damage fast. Next, check the battery terminals and alternator connections. Loose or corroded terminals can cut off charging power. And that'll trigger the battery light and possibly mess with engine sensors too. Tighten everything, clean off any corrosion, and make sure nothing's loose. 3. Look at the serpentine belt. This belt powers your alternator, power steering, and more. If it's broken or slipped off, the alternator won't charge. And the oil pump could stop working if it's belt-driven. Look for cracks, fraying, looseness, or if it's missing completely. 4. Scan for fault codes. Even if there's no check engine light, scan your car with an OBD2 tool. You might find pending codes that show what failed just before the lights came on. This step can save you from guessing or replacing the wrong part. 5. Listen to the engine. If the engine sounds rough, shakes, or misfires, shut it down. That could mean it's not getting oil or losing electrical power. Don't keep driving if it sounds weird, better safe than sorry. This whole checklist takes just a few minutes, and it could literally save your engine or your wallet. If anything looks off, like low oil, a loose belt, or corroded battery terminals, take care of it immediately or get to a trusted mechanic. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button, and subscribe for more car tips and warning light fixes every week. Got questions or want help reading your scan tool codes? Drop them in the comments, I always reply.